So, hi guys, welcome to my stream, I guess. So, I have started my stream. So, dun, 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 dun. So, hi guys. Oh, I got dun, dun, dun. Okay, nice. Define views. Nice. So, it's cutting views. So, channel start. Okay, 166, 930 subscribers. So, guys, please subscribe to my channel so you can see this. So you can see that my video has more number. My channel has more videos than the subscribers. So, and to make a note that every video is more than 1 hour, I guess. Mostly are live streams. So I think you'll get subscribers. So if you are watching my live, try to give a like and also subscribe my channel. So today's topic is generics, types, traits, and lifetime. So 1 minute, I'll put on the fan so that I won't reset it, I guess. Okay, my gosh. So to give a small context, yesterday we saw the chapter 9. Yes, we saw the chapter 9. It was errors. Day before yesterday we saw comment collection. So today we are heading with a new topic. I guess up to 9, with 9 we can write some pretty small functions and all that stuff. So we'll be looking on generics. So many users, only one views, no problem. So if you have any suggestions, so kindly drop that in the video also. So 30 or 6 years old. My god, I opened this 6 years ago. Good. So okay, I'll try to one. So what is generic? So basically every language has generics. Yes, I think C doesn't have generics. 1 minute. Yes, my my assumption was correct. So, but C has included in C11. They have generic. Nice. Okay. So we are going to rest. So Generics is basically writing a function or something which can take any type of any data type. This is the bare metal thing generics is built to, and traits and lifetimes are mostly language specific, and traits and lifetimes are only in Rust, I guess. So we have seen two inbuilt generic, which was options and hashmap. Not hashmap, is result, and also hashmap vector, three things, four things. So if you are following Rust book, this is from 6, 8, this is 8 and 9. Okay, types, generic traits is define behavior in a generic way. As remove duplication by extracting a function. So this is the basic thing. So if you are writing any code, you can get the logic. So and make sure that everything is a reference here vector. So I'll just create a small file. So here we don't want to use mute because we are not changing any value inside vector. If you are using colon new, then it should be mutable. So here we are not using any package. I'm just compiling this code, so I don't want to use cargo for this. what is that? So we cannot assign twice immutable values. So okay, makes sense. We are taking that and like on. Okay. So we'll run this. So it's 5. Makes sense, right? Okay, why we are doing like this? Okay, both are same. Okay, it's duplicating code. So we'll write function. Okay, makes sense. Okay, we'll do this. So it's the turning something. Okay. So we don't want this because it's already reference. Okay, we have done the run the dun, dun, dun. Oh, the rest is the largest data. Uh, with 59. So generic type. Okay, so as I said, The same is for this. We are writing the same logic for 2 times. So here we are looking for character, here we are looking for number, but the logic is same. So how can we write the okay, we can write it by, so if it's a generic, so we'll be telling the type, so the t is the type. So what here the value is change. So whatever this function is for, that is returned here. Makes sense, right? So now this will work for anything. So I'll change this to O1. Oh. So I have wrote like this. So how this is possible? Here is number list, character list. So does it change the ownership? I guess it can't can have an issue. I guess I had. So we cannot directly compare and okay, makes sense. So we'll give the type std v has here an order. Okay, so like that. Okay, so this work. So it's 100 and why? So the doubt is why we are using that was why we are using that partial order, because state bound, so enables comparison operator used in a if state, wider compatibility, most data equal partial order. Oh, so if you're using generics, then it's hard to compare. So this will select what to do. So it will do that, I guess. Nobody is watching. So anyone watching? That one is me, bro. So 43. No problem. Okay, so yes, trait. Okay, next section. To enable comparisons or trait. So this is like that. So instruct, it's like mostly the if you are writing generics, then this thing will take T and this is T. So 4.4. So this is not correct. So 5. My gosh. Oh, if we have two different types, then it's U and T. Okay. Oh. Okay. Fine. So why we are using T and A means? So see this. If you are getting only same type. So for example, see here. So it's only T. The values here are all only in integer, and here are character, so it's same thing. But if we are using a float or a integer, then we should specify the type of T gets for 1, U gets for 1. So the struct look like or like this. So see now result we have seen this the previous, so we can write generic implementation using that. So okay, I guess in some other life I will try to build some project. Okay, nice. Okay, performance of well, I'm not pretty much satisfied with generic. So so defining a trait. Okay, trait is like this. We are defining a trait function trait somewhere. Okay, then it's like a module like this. Okay, so it's like int of runs, I guess. So it's the struct and use summary. So we can implement the trait by summary for news article. So right, nice. It's like everyone but different with for a lecture inference. So it's like use aggregator social post summary. So we can use like this also. So book. So where is the function? So default looks like this. So article dot summarize read more. Summarize author. Nice. Features, parameters, not pretty much good with traits. So it's like a vague thing. So it will take a display and a partial loader. Nice. So now this makes sense. So display to string 40. So validating references with lifetimes. So this is like a pointer. It's like a pointer. So we create R here, then we open a scope. So if the compiler reaches then this thing is done. So this will return an error. So R is stored here. So I guess it's 5. No. Okay. So it will show an error. Check. So it's an A left. So it's an annotation. Okay, so now this makes sense because there is no scope, so the scope is like here. Okay, toasting makes sense. Cargo run. Why this happens? So it's an str. So it will return this or else this. Okay, nice. Why? Okay, why this is not about lifetimes. So January. So help this function and type contains a borrow value, but the signature does not say whether it's borrowed from X or Y. Oh, bad. So we are just returning this. We are oh, so we can. Okay, so we are giving a lifetime partner. True fails the left of what it becomes a can't tell whether the borrowing being returned from refers to X or so we don't know either because if block in the body returns a reference to X or Y. So we'll check this. So it's because of the compiler, because compiler cannot identify that it's coming from this value is coming from X or Y. Okay. If you return data will not be gone. So double reference. So compiler creating a new data inside returning a reference. So it's the lifetime parameter. So access a name. Okay. So establishes a contract. Dangling pointer. So it's this lifetime is only used to recognize for compiler. So we are writing based on compiler. The function signature. So there are so many things. So it will create a lifetime. So they know where this X and Y comes from. A reference with explicit lifetime. Okay. So we are giving lifetime. This works. Testing as ABCD. Okay. So we can edit better. So okay. Text to parameters without strings here. String slices return. String. Nice. Okay, this is wrong because it's borrowing. The lifetime is dead. So we should do something like v comma v. So if we are returning this thing, we can use this. So we don't use this. Okay, it's nice. Stack toughness sense. My gosh. Lifetime edition. can use lifetime here because it does not know what to return. So it's like writing Rust code makes this practice. So you just started learning, so I think building projects makes sense now at this stage. Static lifetime, so just static. So everything makes sense. So 50. So telling to use that t value teacher. I think automated test. So the macro for this is cfg test. So this will load all the files so you can test it by using this add. Okay, I guess we have made to 11th chapter. So the next live will be on something building some basic things. So we'll be looking on that. So we'll be looking for basic some CLI. So we'll create a command line something thing. So small exercise fixing common errors. Nice. So like this. So I will be doing rustlings, I guess. The next. So what is okay? Ta-da, ta-da. Rustling sound. So context as ta-da, creating an exercise. So it's like creating exercise. So I don't do that. So doing exercise to do exercise list. So you can see how to research the file. So we'll be doing a rustling thing in the next live. So if anybody has anybody, it's only one. So up to 10 we have finished. We'll be looking through 11 in the next stream. So there will evening will be a DSS stream. So we are starting DSS today. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my stream and make sure to subscribe. So we'll just look this some source that we can learn how they wrote the. So it's check. Okay. So this is a crate called anyhow, and these are standard things. These are asset, operation, open, like max exercise, max and okay, forward. So I think these are closer. So closer is basically a lambda stuff. So we are passing a callback inside fine. So input character So that character we are finding this cargo terminal, we are checking, we are reading the file with context. So what is with context? Does you are not aware of that? They are fade. So it's a tuple and index start index CFG debug assessor. So now this makes sense. So with capacity result, it's a path buff. Oh, what is a path buff? So path buff is a notable structure which is used to represent file path. Oh, I see. Makes sense. So now this is fully mutable. So if we are without using, we are using string, then it can't be a mutable. Okay, nice. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my stream, and evening there will be a DSA stream. So until then, bye bye. Thank you for watching.